Hello, how are you? In our last lesson, we were doing reactions of alkanotes, and we seen one. It is combustion. When you do combust or when you burn an alkano, it burns with a pale blue flame to produce or to form carbon dioxide, that is CO2 plus water. Those are the products you get when you burn an alkano. And test for the two products, carbon dioxide forms white precipitate with calcium hydroxide or lime water. When bubbled through, water turns anhydrous copper 2 sulfate from white to blue, cobalt chloride from pink to blue. Now, the ethanol is also as a pH below 7. It behaves as if it is a weak acid. Number 2 reaction, we said alkanos react with the metals. They react with the metals to form metal alkoxide plus hydrogen gas. When metals react with alkano, it forms a metal alkoxide plus hydrogen gas. For example, when we have ethanol plus sodium, we get sodium hydroxide plus hydrogen gas. Sodium plus ethanol, we get sodium hydroxide plus hydrogen gas. And the chemical formula will be ethanol is CH3, CH2OH plus sodium. You replace, I said it's better to open. The OH is here is replaced by sodium, and it forms an atom of hydrogen. Because hydrogen is a gas, then there must be two alkanos reacting with the two sodium metal to form two sodium hydroxide, then a molecule of hydrogen gas. It is only organic chemistry that chemical equation is marked when it has no status symbols. So that is the second reaction. And the same case when propano react with potassium, you get potassium propoxide plus hydrogen gas. Propoxide is ethanol with 3. So we have the 3 carbon, but now always it's replaced by potassium there. Plus hydrogen gas, the two of them. This is now the potassium propoxide. Now, number 3, alkanotes react with alkanoic acid to form alkanoids. This alkanoid, we call it an ester. It is a substance with a pleasant smell. And this reaction to occur, we need a condition that is conc. It's a condition, it's not a reagent. Conc sulfuric 6 acid for the reaction to occur. And a reaction where alkanoic react with alkanos is called esterification. The process is esterification, and the substance we formed here is now the one we call an ester. Esterification, then we call it an ester, a substance with a sweet smell. And I've seen the reaction takes place when there is presence of conc sulfuric acid, and of course in the product there is an ester also, a water formed after ester. So we want to do an example when we have ethanol plus propanoic acid, we get the salt called propanoate from the acid, and now we are getting alkyl from ethanol, that is ethyl, and then propanoate plus water. Now ethyl propanoate is the ester. How do you do that? Now we learned the name. So the name start, the alkyl group is from the alcohol, then alkanoid is from the acid. For example, again, when I'm having propano plus ethanoic acid, then I get from alcohol, ethyl will be propyl ethanoate. The last one is from the acid. The way we see salt of hydrochloric acid chloride, then salt of alkanoic acid alkanoate. And it depends with which alkanoate is used. If it is propanoic acid, it's propanoate. If it's ethanoic acid, ethanoate. If it's methanoic acid, methanoate. If it's butanoic acid, then butanoate plus water. Now we want to learn how to do these two ester, because now we know how to